Vystar Credit Union and the city of Jacksonville are working together to help local small businesses struggling from the effects of the coronavirus. The program started a week ago today. Jenny Vipperman is Vystar's chief lending officer and is joining us this morning by Zoom. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
So what kind of response have you received in this last week?
We've had a tremendous response and a lot of interest. People are really excited about receiving the loan.
So can you explain the eligibility to participate in this loan program between basically City of Jackson and Vystar?
Absolutely. This is available to all businesses located in Duval County that have between 2 and 100 employees.
And what kind of paperwork do you have to submit? And do you have to prove that you're profitable?
Sure. So we have a paper application on our website. You would go to vystarcu.org and click on the banner at the top under business. You would fill that in and send it into the email. We follow up and do the hand-holding with the business to get the application in. We request 1 year of tax returns, so that's either 2018 or 2019 if you filed, and it's that easy.
Do you have to prove that you're profitable?
You have to prove that you can repay the loan. The city of Jacksonville is helping support that first year's payments, so we're trying to make it as generous and also as simple as possible.
And do you have to have an account with Vystar Credit Union? And what about nonprofits? Are they eligible as well?
Absolutely. So anybody can apply. If you don't have an account with us yet, we'll get that set up for you very easily. And of course, nonprofits are included in this, so they are welcome and encouraged to apply.
So this is a loan, I know, but there's also this kind of grant component, which may be a little confusing. So how does it work?
Absolutely. So it is a loan. It's a loan with really flexible repayment terms. So the way it works is the first year is an interest-only payment, and the city of Jacksonville is picking that up for all of the businesses that qualify and are eligible. In years 2 through 6, it's going to be a principal and interest repayment. And for those that retain a certain percentage of their workforce, they will have the interest paid for them and or a forgivability component, 10% of the outstanding balance each year from the city of Jacksonville.
So, people at home and small business owners are saying, wait, the city of Jacksonville is going to pay for the loan fee, and, you've got this interest only and maybe pinching themselves. There's only X amount of money, though, that's available for these small businesses, though, right?
So they have already approved for us to do $50 million in loans. Right now, we haven't even gone through half of that. So there's still plenty of money left over for any of the businesses that are interested in applying.
And is there a cap on how much they'll be loaned?
Absolutely. It goes up to $100,000. And this is unlike some of the other programs. This can be used for anything to keep those doors open, whether it's payroll or other business expenses.
Initially when the mayor had announced this partnership, he mentioned that, 3 to 5 days or so to get approval. We know that there are a lot of small businesses that are just desperate right now. What's the qualifying amount of time? I mean, how quickly can people and these businesses get money in their account?
Absolutely. We have a level agreement with the city that gives us 5 days, 5 business days from a completed application to being funded. And some of these are being funded in as few as 3 days. So we understand that our businesses need the money today to keep their businesses open, and we're trying to turn around that as quickly as possible for them.
I know that you've been inundated, with applications, encouraging people at home and small businesses, pack a little patience.
Absolutely. That would be great. Right now, we're accepting these applications by email only so that everyone can focus 100% on processing the loans and getting the funds in the business accounts as soon as possible. So we're not taking phone calls on these right now. However, as soon as the application is put in, we reach out if there's anything else that's needed, and we get it turned around as quickly as we can. So patience is appreciated while we serve everybody in the community.
Jenny Vipperman is Vystar's chief lending officer, joining us via Zoom this morning. Thank you, Jenny. Appreciate it. Want to remind everyone you can apply by going to vystarcu.org.